Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about adapters in Android. An adapter is a bridge between the user interface components and the data source. Adapters are commonly used to populate data into views such as filling a ListView, RecyclerView, or Spinner with data from a data source like an array or a database. The primary purpose of an array is to inflate views, converting each item in the data source into a view that can be displayed in the user interface, and binding data, which populates the inflated views with the corresponding data from the data source. Let's jump into Android Studio and learn how to create adapters and how to use them. I created this empty project called Adapters Application. And by the way, you can download the source codes from the resources folder under each section. Here, inside this layout, I'll create a ListView element and match parent, and give it an ID, ListView. Click on it, infer the constraints, and here we go. A ListView is a view group that displays a scrollable list of items. Each item in the list is typically a view that the ListView displays. It's one of the fundamental UI components used to present data to users in a scrollable, vertically oriented list. Let's jump into main activity and start initializing ListView. Here inside the onCreate method, I'll start with val my ListView. It's of type ListView equals to find a view by ID r.id.listView. The second step in creating a ListView is to create a data source. The data source is the underlying set of data that the ListView displays. The data source is typically an array, a list, or some other collection of items. The adapter is responsible for converting items from the data source into views that can be displayed in the ListView. For that, I create val operating systems, which is an array of strings. And here I'll start with items. These are the 4 elements of the operating system's array. Let's move to the adapter. The ListView doesn't directly hold the data it displays. Instead, it relies on the adapter to populate the data. The adapter is responsible for creating views for each item in the data source and binding data to those views. Common adapters for ListView include array adapter, base adapter, and custom adapters. Since our data source is an array, I need to use array adapter. So for that, val my adapter equals to array adapter, and here I need to pass 3 parameters. The first one is the context, the second one is the layout, Android r.layout.simple list item 1, and the third parameter is the list and the array that we are going to populate, which is operating systems. Let's dive into this code. Array adapter is a type of adapter provided by Android for use with arrays or lists of data. And here I'm passing 3 parameters. The first one is the context. The first parameter is the context, which represents the current state of the application. In this case, it assumes to be an activity or another context-aware component. You might use this if you are inside an activity. And here we are inside the main activity. So always use this as a context if you are in the main activity. Android.r.layout.simple list item. The second parameter is the layout resource ID that defines how each item in the list should be displayed. This layout is a built-in layout provided by Android. It contains a single text view and it's often used for simple lists of strings. If you want to display this layout, Control and left mouse, and here you will go to the layout and only contains this text view. Operating systems, the third parameter is the data source, which is the array or list of items that you want to display in the list view. So whenever you need to create an array adapter, you need to pass context as first parameter, template layout that will act as a template for every item displayed in the list view, and the third parameter is the data source. In the next videos, we're going to use our custom layouts to display the items of a list view. The last step is to set the adapter to the list view. It's very simple. ListView.adapter equals to my adapter. I'm linking this list view with my adapter. Save the project and run. And congratulations guys, we created this list view. You can see the items are populated in a template layout that we used, and it's a built-in layout called simple list item. Also, we used the adapter to inflate all the elements into this view, to this list view.